It has become a ritual for Virat Kohli to come and leave the field in the blink of an eye on the ongoing Australia tour. The Indian star batter has played 5 innings so far, except for the second innings played in Perth. He has been continuously failing in the 5-match India vs Australia Test series. Just look at his innings: 5, 100 not out, 7, 11 and 3. 126 runs so far. Kohli's painful journey in Australia continues. The way Kohli returned to the pavilion after scoring just 3 runs in the first innings of the third test in Brisbane was definitely very disappointing. It was caught behind the wicket by Aussie wicketkeeper Alex Carey off the bowling of Josh Hazlewood. Seeing the pathetic condition of the Indian legend, many veterans lost their patience, and Cheteshwar Pujara was one of them. Pujara was doing live commentary on TV when Kohli was out in the Gabba test. You should also know the comments he made on Virat's terrible condition and the reasons he counted responsible for it. During his analysis, Pujara pointed out that Kohli's strength lies in playing against the old ball. With India's top-order batters also struggling for runs, he has been forced to play the new ball, and his technique has not helped. We were discussing that he has been forced to play with the new ball, and he has gotten out whenever he played the new ball. When he played the old ball, he scored 100 in Perth. So that's also a very big point, Pujara said on Star Sports. When Kohli came out to bat in the second innings of the Perth test, more than 80 overs had already been bowled. When Kohli came to the field, KL was not out for 77 and Devdutt Padikkal was dismissed after scoring 25 runs. Yashasvi Jaiswal was at the crease with a triple figure. Obviously, the ball had become old. It is always easy for Virat to start the innings with an old ball. Actually, Pujara wants to draw everyone's attention towards this in his analysis. His technique isn't made for the new ball. His batting should come after 10, 15 or 20 overs. If he plays the new ball, the bowlers are fresh and their confidence is also high. When they get 2 wickets, the entire team is charged up, the Indian batter added. Pujara observed that despite Kohli's dedicated practice sessions in the nets, he has struggled to implement those techniques effectively on match days. When the bowling is happening in just one area, on the 4th or 6th stump, he is playing that and getting out. It's not a good thing. He understands that himself. We saw the net session as well, that he was leaving the balls in that area. But that execution is not happening in the match, he said. Kohli has been out 4 times in the current series, and on every time his catch either went into wicketkeeper's gloves or to the slip fielder. It is evident that he is failing to leave the balls going outside the off stump. This is the reason why Pujara, who was the number 3 batsman for Team India, believes that Kohli needs a mental adjustment to overcome the problem.